guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bonnie and today I'm coming at you again with another video. Guys, as you can see already, we are in the spring season. This is the time of the year where the beach sides and the pool sides, they are so overcrowded. So what you need is that swimwear that will make you look special. So if you're like me, you don't want to be spending so much money on the swimwears, you can just go ahead and watch my last video where I was showing you guys how to make swimwears out of a t-shirt. It was a DIY tutorial. You can just go ahead and watch it, or you can just keep on watching this video, because in this video I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make swimwears out of a polystring bag, the line polystring bag that I already used to make a crop top. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching, and then if you're new to this channel and then already you like my content, do subscribe and like this video.